Hi, good morning, all of you. How are you all? Last two classes, you have to learn something from this class. Just today, third class. I'm going to ask you all, you have learned from this last two video or not? How many attend class? I don't know. But you have learned and you are learning from this video. So send me the video, make your video and send me with your class teacher or directly send on my number. You are doing right or you are doing wrong, right? So I want to correct all your mistakes. And just today I'm going to teach you two kicks and punch, which direction and which angle we have to use without any injury. And before practice, I request all of you, you have to do proper warming up exercise and stretching exercises, full body stretch, then you have to do practice. Otherwise you got injured or muscles pull and strain and sprain, any type of injury will be there. So properly, before practice, properly you have to do warming up exercise. Okay? And just today I'm going to teach you right now. First, slap kick. Okay? Slap kick, I'm going to show you how to use on punching bag. You have to use this angle, right? That's called Kosi part. Okay? On the Japanese language, that's Kosi. And you have to use this part, and mainly when you're kicking, you have to turn your down leg, right? You have to turn proper angle on this side and like this. अगर आपको सही तरीके से करना है तो नीचे वाले पैर को पूरा ट्विस्ट करना है 90 डिग्री में बैक साइड में, और उसके बाद आगे वाले लेग को उठा के सीधा। ये कंप्लीट एंगल यहाँ से यूज करनी है, राइट? ये इस तरीके से हाथ की पोजीशन सेम ही रहेगा, आगे वाला नी हल्का सा बेंड करना है और उसके बाद लेग को इस तरीके से आपको किक करनी है। फर्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने बताया था आपको कि ये जो किक है ऑलराउंड किक है, इसको आप लेग से लेके फेस हेड तक कहीं भी आप अटैक कर सकते हो। साइड, स्टमक, साइड, बैक, फेस, anywhere you have to attack this kick. It is mainly all-round kick. Okay, so properly have to do practice like this. This type of practice you have to do regular, right? You have to do practice proper both of leg 50-50, राइट? अगर आप एक लेग से 50 बार किक करें तो दूसरे लेग से भी 50 बार करना है रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस में, अगर आपको सही करना है। और यू हैव टू डू 10 टाइम और 20 टाइम एवरी डे। ओके, every time you have to do practice like this, same angle when you are using left leg, also same techniques, right? You have to do proper technique, proper angle, this and this type, proper way. पहले नीचे वाले लेग को प्रॉपर एंगल में टर्न करना है और इसी के साथ अटैक करेंगे। जिस पार्ट से हम लोग ने यूज किया राइट से, सेम पार्ट भी लेफ्ट से भी यूज करनी है प्रॉपर वे से। When you are doing basic practice, basic angle and direction, have to turn your leg properly and off your leg, knee up, proper and like this angle. अगर आपको कंट्रोल नहीं होता है, इसको प्रॉपर वॉल को पकड़ेंगे और यहाँ से स्लोली आप इसको एंगल को टर्न करेंगे दोनों लेग का, इस तरीके से, राइट। और स्लोली आप विदाउट सपोर्ट इस तरीके से करेंगे प्रैक्टिस। राइट। after the slap kick, now I am going to teach you side kick. Side means that's called ekogiri. That is we are using this part, this blade part, right? And same direction is same. When we are using angle proper 90 degree front side or side or front side. Okay, this is directly 90 degree. Okay, if we are using side, it is a proper, and when we are using front side, turn our leg and same to same. Mawashigiri and side kick is the same angle. This is the direction properly. Take up, twist your leg and back. Proper side kick. This same. Right? This is a very powerful kick, and you have to use like this properly, like this, right? This type of angle you have to use. When we are using proper direction and proper techniques, turn your leg 1 and 2, straight, proper, and like this. This is the angle. Don't use your full heel. Use your this part only. Right? Never use full sole part. Use when you are using right leg, same you have to use left leg also. Don't use your only one leg. You have to use both leg properly, right? So now same techniques and same direction. Have to use left leg. Same techniques, same angle, proper, right? This proper way. Properly this side. You have to use side part only. Don't use full. Use side only. Okay, and same practice if you are doing 10 times from your right leg, and same left leg also you have to do 10 times. Okay, same you are using same when you are doing kicking mawashigiri, and this is a side kick proper way, right? This is the turn body and proper side angle like this, proper way. Turn your leg and up full. This is the angle, and do it like this. When basic proper skill, when we are using kick before like this is a stretching exercise for this kick, proper way like this, and this is the correct angle, right? Both sides have to do practice like this, for this is side kick, right? When you are doing mawashigiri, like this practice, side kick like this. ओके, जब भी आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे, ये इस तरीके से बेसिक के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना है, और सेम अगर आप ऊपर उठा के करोगे लेग को कंट्रोल करके, तो ये इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करनी है। और अगर ज़्यादा आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए तो आप वॉल का सपोर्ट लेके इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। लेग को यहाँ से टर्न करना है और ये इसे प्रॉपर तरीके से आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। बोथ साइड, जब भी आप दूसरा भी साइड करोगे सेम टू सेम इस हाथ से सपोर्ट लेनी है और इसी तरीके से आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है इसको जी। और ये किक आपको फ्लैंक किक में भी यूज होता है। व्हेन वी आर डूइंग basically this kick we use one flank kick also when we are using flank kick like this, right? Same angle we use for flank kick, okay? And now I am going to teach you a punch, which direction you have to use properly. So first see the punch. When we are doing punch, proper this direction, right? Proper way. Body should be straight 90 degree and like this. Last moment turn, right? This side. This is a basic punch. Proper way. Last moment. Slowly. When we are punching, use this part only. Don't use your finger parts. Otherwise, you got injured from this part. If you use this part, you got injured. Always remember this, right? Like this, proper. Okay, and main, when your hand position, don't like this and don't like this. Put here properly, right? Put here, don't use this. Proper touch and punch. Okay, and when you are using double punch, together two punch, same techniques. Slow, 1 2 1 2 1 2 like this. Properly, same. Okay. You have to do this type of punches and kicking, right? When you are practicing properly, proper direction have to use, and you have to use target. I used to my punching bag. You don't have punching bag, so you have to use your wall, right? Or when you are kicking, don't use wall. Use one air. You have to do one air only. हवा में प्रैक्टिस करनी है बस, ये नहीं कि आप जाके दीवार पे मारोगे पंच। ओके, you have to properly control your body when you are attack, otherwise you got injured. ओके, इंजरी से बचना है तो आपको हल्का प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बेसिक प्रैक्टिस करनी है, सेफ डायरेक्शन आपको सही करना है और एक पर्टिकुलर टारगेट पे आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। आपके पास अगर पिलो होगा तो पिलो को वॉल पे रख के आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो नॉर्मली, और किक की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो नॉर्मल हवा में प्रैक्टिस करनी है। कुछ भी टारगेट आप बना सकते हो, एनीथिंग। इफ यू हैव अ किकिंग पैड, यू हैव टू यूज किकिंग पैड, और यू डोंट हैव अ किकिंग पैड, यूज ऑन एयर ओनली, राइट? एंड प्रॉपर stretching exercise is the most important before your practice, and last you have to do cool down, right? And regular you have to do practice, and regularly practice after you make video and send me, right? If you have mistake, I'll correct all your mistake and I'll send your video again. Okay, so learn properly and don't use and don't fight with your brothers and sisters. Okay, so thank you very much. Bye everyone.